If you're a student or beginner trying to understand IT, information systems, or programming without the confusing jargon, welcome to LD Tech Lab. Make sure to subscribe, and let's break this topic down step by step.
Welcome to this beginner's guide on building your first app using AI tools. This is a complete, step-by-step walkthrough designed for those with absolutely no prior coding experience. We're going to explore a modern, AI-powered workflow that turns ideas into functional software faster than ever before. Our journey today is broken down into 6 clear steps. We will start by defining the new landscape of AI development, move through the planning and tool selection phases, and then get into the hands-on process of building, testing, and finally deploying your app for the world to see. To understand where we are, we have to look at the old way versus the new reality. We are moving away from spending months memorizing syntax or writing every single line of code by hand. In the AI way, you describe what you want in plain English. AI writes and explains the code, fixes errors instantly, and helps you deploy in minutes. The most important thing to remember, AI isn't replacing developers, it is making development accessible to everyone. The rule here is, start small, think big. Pick a problem or a pain point that you actually feel. Validate your idea by identifying your target user and defining one core feature. Don't overcomplicate it. Your goal is to create a simple blueprint that solves one specific problem. You'll need a specific toolkit to get started. ChatGPT and Claude act as your primary logic engines. For coding, we recommend Cursor or VS Code, or Replit if you want an all-in-one browser setup. For design, tools like V0 can generate beautiful UI components just from a text description. Before we start building, we need a solid foundation. Take 20 minutes to download VS Code, set up your GitHub account, and choose your AI assistant. Having your environment ready to go ensures that when the inspiration strikes, you can focus entirely on the build rather than the setup. Prompting is the engine that drives AI development. To get high-quality code, use the perfect prompt formula. Give the AI a role, provide the context of your project, define the specific task, and set constraints. If the output isn't perfect, just keep the conversation going until the AI gets it right. Now we enter the building phase. We start with the skeleton, the HTML. This defines the structure of your app. You'll ask your AI for a blueprint and have it generate the base files. This is where your plan starts becoming a real digital product. Next, we add the skin and the brains. Use CSS for styling to make it look modern, and JavaScript for the logic to make it functional. For example, if we're building a to-do app, we generate the code, refine the look, and add features like delete or complete through a back-and-forth conversation with the AI. Bugs are a natural part of the process. When something doesn't work, use the F12 key to check your browser's console. If you see red text, that's your error. Simply copy and paste that error back into your AI and ask it to fix it. This turns every mistake into a learning opportunity. An app is only real once people can use it. We use Netlify Drop for deployment. You take your project folder, drag it onto the site, and within 30 seconds, you have a live URL. Your app is now officially on the internet. As you build, be careful of scope creep, trying to do too much at once. Also, avoid blind copy pasting. Always ask the AI to explain why the code works. Building small and understanding the why is the best way to grow. To work like a pro, use a multi-model strategy. Use Claude for complex explanations and ChatGPT for quick fixes. Build iteratively. Get one small feature working perfectly before you try to add the next one. Here is your 30-day challenge. Week 1 is for setup, Week 2 is for your first working app, Week 3 is for adding features, and Week 4 is for building your own unique project from scratch. Remember, the best app is the one you actually finish. You have the tools and the roadmap. Your action items for today: open your editor, start a conversation with an AI, and write down your first app idea. Give yourself 2 hours this weekend to build version 1. It's time to start building.
If this video helped you understand the topic better, please like, subscribe to LD Tech Lab, and comment below what you want to learn next. Your questions help shape future lessons.